Jupiter is the biggest planet we know. It is so large that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. From space, it looks like a giant marble made of swirling colors. But those beautiful colors are actually massive storms, some bigger than our whole planet. One of the most famous storms on Jupiter is called the Great Red Spot. This storm has been raging for over 300 years. It is a giant hurricane that is even bigger than Earth. Winds inside this storm can reach speeds of over 400 miles per hour. That is faster than any storm on Earth. Imagine standing in winds that strong. You wouldn't stand at all. You would be blown away instantly. But the storms are just the beginning. Jupiter is obviously not like Earth. It does not have a solid ground you can stand on. It is made mostly of gas. This means if you tried to land on Jupiter, you would just keep falling deeper into the planet. At first, you would pass through thick clouds. These clouds are not soft like the ones we see in the sky. They are made of dangerous chemicals like ammonia. As you fall, the pressure around you would start to increase. It becomes so strong that it would crush anything that enters. The deeper you go, the more terrifying it gets. The temperature rises quickly. Eventually, it becomes so hot that no spacecraft could survive, and you would never hit the ground, because there is no ground. Deep inside Jupiter, scientists believe there may be a strange ocean made of liquid hydrogen. Even deeper, that hydrogen may turn into something called metallic hydrogen. This is a form of matter that does not exist naturally on Earth. Jupiter is not just dangerous on the inside, it is also deadly on the outside. The planet has an incredibly strong magnetic field. This creates powerful radiation around it. This radiation is so intense that it could destroy a spacecraft in a short time. Compared to Jupiter, Earth feels like a safe and peaceful place. But here is something even more surprising. Jupiter actually helps protect Earth. Because it is so massive, Jupiter has a strong gravity. This gravity pulls in asteroids and comets that travel through space. Some scientists believe that Jupiter acts like a shield, stopping dangerous objects from hitting Earth. So even though Jupiter is terrifying, it may also be one of the reasons we are safe. Jupiter also has many moons, over 90 of them. Some of these moons are just as interesting as the planet itself. One moon, called Io, is the most volcanic place in the solar system. Another moon, Europa, may have a giant ocean hidden under its icy surface. Scientists even think there could be life there. But even these moons must deal with Jupiter's power. They are constantly pulled and stretched by its gravity. This creates heat and causes extreme activity, like volcanoes and cracks in the ice. So what would really happen if you tried to go to Jupiter? First, you would see the planet growing bigger and bigger in front of you. Its colorful clouds would start to look like violent storms. As you get closer, the gravity would pull you in faster and faster. Then you would enter the clouds. You would be surrounded by thick gas and powerful winds. Lightning might flash around you. As you continue to fall, the pressure would rise quickly. You would be pushed and squeezed from all sides. Eventually, the pressure would become too much. No human and no spacecraft could survive that deep. Jupiter may look calm and beautiful from far away, but up close, it is a world of chaos, pressure, and endless storms. It is a place where you cannot stand, cannot breathe, and cannot survive. And that is what makes Jupiter so terrifying. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see that bright point of light, remember this. Behind its beauty lies one of the most extreme and dangerous planets we have ever discovered. Even though it may also be one of Earth's greatest protectors.